everyone. This has been happening to my Samsung phone. When it dies, I lost my charger and I just got a new one. It stays like this and does not change. I found the fix to it, I believe. Press volume up, down, and power. Keep holding until you see this warning sign. Sometimes, if you press volume down again, it should restart your phone like this. Now that you're into the phone, you see that the battery is charging. It's at 0% right now. So, force restart your phone again. Turn it off and on. Oh, that. Press restart on your phone. I'm sorry, guys. I'm doing this one-handed. I'll come back after it restarts. It is now restarting. I'll skip until it's turned on. Okay, now turn off your phone. I'll come to you when it's turned off. It is now turning off. Now let's see if it's charging. If it's not charging, oh, there it goes. See, now it started to charge. Just follow those steps, and your phone should start charging it again. Hope you enjoy.